Hmm.
Hello everyone, this is me Bhavesh Gajanan Taute and here is my friend Yash Gadekar. First of all, I will like to thank our mathematics ma'am, Pradna ma'am, for giving us the chance to show our creativity. And thanks to my partner Yash Gadekar for doing this amazing project. And now I will give a short presentation of our project. Our topic name is use of quantum mechanics in mathematics. Introduction. Quantum mechanics is a fundamental theory of the physics that provides a description of the physical properties of nature at the scale of atoms and subatomic particles. It is the foundation of all quantum physics, including quantum chemistry, quantum physics theory, quantum technology, and quantum informed and science. Then we are going to see that how this concept is can be shown in the way of with the help of mathematics. For introducing this concept, it's not easy. So there is the many advanced mathematics used in the field of quantum mechanics, like complex numbers, vectors, matrices, etc. Further, we will know about this. Now we are going to about our first part, complex numbers. Use of complex numbers in quantum mechanics. Yeah, the concept that we learn in our lower classes. Complex numbers. As we are familiar with this topic, a complex number is any number written in the form z is equal to a plus ib, where uh, x and b as the imaginary part. We also define rez and imaginary z as follows. So now we are going to see what is the use of complex number in quantum mechanics. Why are complex number needed in quantum mechanics? Complex number seems to be fundamental for the description of world possessed by quantum mechanics. This can be a source of puzzlement. Why do we need such distinct entities to describe these things? The answer is one way to refer the build, builderment is to stress that what we can measure is essentially real. So complex numbers are not directly related to absolute quantities. Summary. Below we have listed the key formulas and concepts learned so far that assume that z is equal to a plus ib and w is equal to c plus id and etc. Now we are going to see the linear algebra used in quantum mechanics. As we hear the term linear algebra, we get the concept like vector. The starting point of linear algebra is the concept of vectors. Vectors, a column of numbers. See, any numbers, even complex, the amount of number is referred to as the dimension of the vector. Vectors looks like v vector is equal to v1 by v2. It's also the mathematical way of representing the point on the Cartesian plane you would end up at if you were starting from the origin. Then move one along the x-axis and the two along the y-axis. Summary, main formulas and properties of vector addition, that is v vector plus w vector is equal to v I cap plus w j cap. Vector scalar multiplication as we studied in our lower classes. Properties of vectors, additions and scalar multiplications that can be used in quantum mechanics have shown below. Let v vector and w vector the vectors and c and d be the scalar. And v vector plus w vector is equal to w vector plus v vector. The law of commutativity. As I mentioned above, that there is also a use of matrices in quantum mechanics. Yeah, the use of matrices in quantum mechanics. A matrices is a bar of numbers, real or complex. Example, m is equal to a b. in bracket A, B, C. Given any matrix Q, we denote the element Qij as the number lie in the ith row and the jth column. Concepts of linear algebra is a quick reference in quantum mechanics. Matrix additions, that is M plus N, Ij is equal to Mij plus Nij. Matrix multiplication, matrix vector complex conjugate, matrix vector transpose, inner scalar dot product are the uses used in the small part of the quantum mechanics. The matrices and vectors are important because they map very well to the mathematics of quantum mechanics, and so they form the basic language in which quantum mechanics is expressed, and eigenvalues and eigenvectors are used to describe the measurement process, which is essential to quantum mechanics. Now we will mathematical postulates of quantum mechanics. In mathematical postulates of quantum mechanics, अरे हॅलो अरे हे राहिलं रे माझ्याकडे थांब mathematical postulates of quantum mechanics. The kit. When using a vector v to represent a quantum state, we all use a different notations known as kit, written as v as the shown below. Single quantum state and the qubit. Quantum states, the collection of all the relevant physical properties of a quantum system, example position, momentum, spin, polarization, is known as the state of the system. Exclusive states. When modeling the state of a given physical quantity, position, spin, polarization, two states are said to be exclusive, in fact, of being in one of the states with the certainty principles, that there are no chances whoever of being in their states. Qubit. In quantum information, we are using quantum bits or quantum qubits. Like the classical bit, a qubit also has the exclusive state, quantum and a quantum 0 and quantum 1. But unlike the classical bit, the quantum qubit behaves according to the laws of quantum mechanics. Quantum measurement. From the mathematical point of view, applying Bohm's rule and the wave collapse corresponds to quantum measurement. Now we are going to see the last part of our project, that is basic math required for quantum mechanics. As we know, there are so advanced concepts used in quantum mechanics. There should be some basic concepts also used in quantum mechanics. Properties of complex number, that is properties ai, z plus w is equal to w plus z. Property 2, z plus w the whole bar is equal to z bar plus w bar. And properties that mod of z into w is equal to mod z plus mod w. Like there are many properties or the notations mentioned in our project. You can see it there. Definition, radius. Refer figure, the angle of subtended. As we see here the circle, we can know the concept of Euler's formula. That is E is equal to I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Here we have shown all the needs of the advanced mathematics and the basic mathematics used in the quantum mechanics. So we assure that you have get informative from our project, and thanking you. बस झालं. बरोबर बोललो का?